Hey everybody, Greg Luchek with the Luchek Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty, bringing you a sensational home listing tour. The property that we're at today is 14747 Crouch Place, located here in the beautiful Heirloom neighborhood in Parker, Colorado. You've got 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom. You can see you've got a beautiful 3-car attached garage, and you've got a sensational lot at the end of a cul-de-sac. So the street is extremely quiet. You've got plenty of parking, and you're located in a perfect section of this neighborhood with the walking trail exactly behind you. Now, typically with these videos, what we do is we talk a little bit about the exterior of the house and some of the extra features that we've got in the backyard as well as in the neighborhood. But this house is not an ordinary home. This has so many features. I got to kick it to my guy, Ryan Deese, Mr. Tall, Dark, and Handsome himself, to let you know a little bit more about the neighborhood, as well as this beautiful backyard and landscaping package. In the meantime, I'm gonna go get some lights on inside, and I can't wait to show you guys the inside of the house.
Thanks, Greg, for getting those lights on in there. But guys, you've got to check out this pool. It is fantastic. It's about 35 feet, and it's heated. And you've got a fire pit that spans the length of the pool. You've got a hangout area over here as well. Everything is AstroTurf back here. It is fantastic. Also behind you, you're gonna have miles of trails that span throughout the entire neighborhood that you can check out. Also in the Heirloom neighborhood, it's very prestigious. You've got a lot of things that are really close to here. You've got Echo Park that's about 4 minutes away. You're about 30 minutes from downtown. You're about 14 minutes from Park Meadows Mall. You've got the reservoir that's really close, so you have all kind of amenities. You can fish, you can do anything kind of like that you want. The inside is just as amazing as the outside. Let me warm my hands up real quick while you guys go check it out with Greg.
Come on in. When you first enter this home, you're greeted immediately by the beautiful high ceilings. If you look up, you're gonna see this awesome foyer chandelier. And if you look down, you're gonna see those beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring that is gonna stretch throughout the majority of the main level. Check out to your left, you've got a fantastic office space complete with barn door, that same plank flooring, beautiful updated lighting that's completely custom, velour blinds you're gonna find throughout the house, and a custom shiplap wall. This is a beautiful office space conveniently located off the front of the home. As we come into the rest of the main level, you're gonna walk into stunning double height ceilings with a beautiful tile clad gas fireplace and that beautiful shiplap that's gonna take you from that fireplace mantle all the way to the ceiling. You've got a beautiful open layout with this fantastic great room here on the main level. There's tons of natural light through the windows that face into that stunning backyard, so you really have a beautiful blend of indoor and outdoor living. From that great room, we transition to a gigantic dining space, obviously big enough to fit any size table and setup that you'd like. We've also got a fantastic open kitchen with staggered cabinets, white shaker cabinet style with that beautiful veined quartz running throughout. You've got seating for 4 or 5 here in the front, tons of cabinet space, an extra homework cubby, double ovens, a microwave, huge vent hood, as well as a beautiful big gas range. Check out this high-end refrigerator. This kitchen is a gourmet chef's dream. Just off the kitchen, we've got a stunning little den area. This is a great secondary entertaining space, sitting room, kids play area, whatever you want to use it for. It's got a beautiful tile-clad gas fireplace as well. Is convenient to the kitchen, but gives you a nice little private reading or entertaining space just off. Just off the kitchen, you've also got a spacious mudroom that conveniently leads you to that oversized 3-car garage. Your first impression up the stairs is of this beautiful catwalk that's open on both sides, and you can see you've got a big oversized laundry room just to the right. You've got 4 bedrooms on this upper level. All 3 secondary bedrooms offer spacious closets and are large. But the true showstopper here is the master suite. This master is oversized. You've got tinted windows and high-end blinds for privacy. You can see how spacious this master bedroom is, with a huge walk-in closet and a stunning 5-piece bath with separated soaking tub, shower, double vanity sinks, and beautiful upgrades throughout. As we come all the way downstairs, you can see you've got a beautiful big family room, game room, theater room area with an electric fireplace, beautiful stone surround, and you've got plenty of room here for a pool table, huge theater space, any kind of setup you might want. You've got 2 additional bedrooms down here on the lower level, both with good closet space. You've also got a separated gym area. This area works perfectly as a gym, but can obviously be used for storage or something else as well. You've also got another full bathroom on the lower level, and just like the rest of the house, it's been meticulously and beautifully updated using the highest of finishes. Thanks so much for checking out our listing. Thanks so much to the man, Ryan Deese. If you'd like more information on this beautiful home, please visit our website at www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like a private tour, give me a call at 719-271-8888. Or if you'd like to see this home on Saturday, January 13th, if anybody remembers this from 4 years ago, our very own celebrity chef Louis Garacci will be here cooking a private menu for our realtor friends as well as our clients and supporters to come in January 13th, 11 to 2 p.m. to come try some awesome food, look at this beautiful house, hang out in this spectacular backyard, and say what's up to us. Thanks so much for checking it out.
And
we'll see you on the next one.